Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, just to recap the second to last day of July, notice how temperatures were a few degrees below average. We like to sit in the upper 80s for this time of the year. We only made it to 83 with the leftover pool of cooler air thanks to the cold front that came through earlier in the week. Yes, the one that brought us some severe weather to kick the week off. Now we've enjoyed 2 days in a row where temperatures have been a little bit cooler. Tomorrow we get back close to average, pushing you into the upper 80s in the afternoon. Partly cloudy most of the day, a little warmer, a little more humid, and that just continues to be the trend in the humidity department, increasing into your weekend where we're going to get a pair of 80s, but showers and storms are likely both Saturday and on Sunday, and the opportunity for a couple of stronger storms is certainly in the mix once again. What we're looking at here for you as we get into our Saturday, since tomorrow is going to be great and quiet, we have a level 1 risk out of 5, so 1 being the lowest, for isolated potentially severe storms. Wind and heavy rainfall are the main concerns. Can't rule out maybe a brief spin up as well with the opportunity of this system coming in. We're going to be right near the center of the low pressure system that's going to be moving in, and there's some spin that usually goes along with that. High pressure moves out, some clouds from those storms already leaking into our region, but eventually the low that is right there moving out of South Dakota into Nebraska, bringing them some severe weather. That's the one we're going to be watching heading into the weekend. There goes the high pressure working off to the east tomorrow, a mix of sunshine and partly cloudy. I wouldn't anticipate much coming out of these little blobs of green here, but there is a chance for some spotty showers as early as maybe 10 or 11 o'clock tomorrow night ahead of the main event that's expected for Saturday morning. At around mid-morning on Saturday, a line of showers and storms comes through. It's broken on Futurecast, which could mean not everybody gets some right away. That also means that with the break in the afternoon, we could see stronger storm potential in the later round, mainly in the evening and through the overnight as storms continue to develop along the line and bring us that wind threat and again, maybe a little bit of isolated spinning in there as well. Then the system itself and the frontal boundaries try to keep some lingering showers going on Sunday. The low itself continues to sort of sit and spin across the area, and as it does through Sunday night and even into Monday as it kind of parks for a little bit, we're going to see rounds of possible showers and thunderstorms continue into early parts of next week. With that, the heaviest of rainfall is likely in those first 2 initial waves on Saturday, and we do have a level 2 out of 4 risk for some excessive rainfall. This could lead to some localized, possibly flash flooding or some high water issues for us just throughout the day on Saturday at this point, but it's painted right across the heart of the Fox 56 viewing area. So that is something we'll need to keep an eye on as well. Anywhere from 1 to 2 inches of rain expected through the weekend. Again, a good majority of that coming initially, and then we tack on a little bit here or there as we work through early next week. Till then, tonight down to 63. Tomorrow not bad, 87. Mostly sunny and pleasant. That 7-day forecast for you looks pretty good into next week, the first week of August. A little on the active side, but temperatures sitting close to average.